Hi, I'm Chad with Warhold Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. Today I wanted to go over high water pressure. One of the questions we get a lot of times from customers is why does my faucet keep dripping? Why is my water heater's relief valve dripping? Why does my toilet keep running? Majority of fixtures inside your house are all manufactured to only operate at 80 pounds of pressure. So one of the things that we do is whenever we come into any home, we always check the water pressure with a screw-on gauge. Typically we take these right at your laundry tub or maybe at your water heater. No matter where we take it, the water pressure should be the same throughout the house. Now, I want to show you here a couple things that we install in order to reduce that incoming water pressure whenever there's an issue. Okay, we have a few devices here. First one is going to be a main water shutoff valve on our far left with the green handle. And then typically you end up seeing a shutoff valve off to the right side after your water meter in a lot of newer situations. The devices that I have right here and right here are the water pressure regulators. So what these are going to do, these are going to decrease the amount of water pressure coming into your home. Unfortunately, whenever we do that, now the pressure that's before that is greater than what is inside the house. So as your water heater starts to heat up, heat causes things to expand. So now your water pressure will start to increase inside the house as your water heater starts to heat. So in order to counteract that, we installed this center tank right here, which is your thermal expansion tank. Half of this tank has a rubber bladder with air on the backside. The other half is just the water inside your home. So as your water heater starts to heat up, and again, heat causes things to expand, the increase in water pressure will push on that bladder and that bladder will absorb the increase in water pressure. All of these are actually required by code if you follow any of the plumbing codes across the entire nation. One of the other things, I did not have one here for the video, you'll typically see a dual check valve. So even if you don't have a regulator on your system, you're still going to be required to have a dual check valve with most water companies as well. That also closes the system off, not allowing any water to push back to the street. So anytime you have a closed system, again, you have to have a thermal expansion tank.